Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from PayPal Payouts API for business operations, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from the PayPal Payouts API for your business operations, start by logging into your PayPal developer account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access your applications. Find the application associated with the Payouts API. Once you're in the application settings, ensure that you have the appropriate API credentials. These credentials include your client ID and secret key, which are essential for authentication. Next, open your preferred coding environment or API testing tool, like Postman. You will need to make a request to the PayPal Payouts endpoint. The base URL for the Payouts API is https://api.paypal.com/v1/payments/payouts. Set up your authentication header with your client ID and secret key. Use the basic authentication method for this purpose. In your request, specify the payouts object containing the necessary details. This includes the recipient's PayPal email, the amount to withdraw, and the currency type. You also need to set the sender_batch_ header to ensure all transactions are grouped together. Make sure to include a unique batch ID in this section. Once your payouts object is complete, send the request to the endpoint. PayPal will process your payouts request. Upon successful processing, you will receive a response with a batch ID. Store this batch ID for tracking purposes. If you encounter any errors, review the error message provided in the response. This message will guide you in resolving any issues. After the funds have been successfully withdrawn, monitor the recipient accounts to confirm receipt. Document your transactions for your business records. Keep updating your integration according to PayPal's API documentation. For any further assistance, consult the PayPal developer forums or customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.